wild body. To get the maximum benefit from going to a plant-based vegan lifestyle, you need to find some kind of exercise that you can do on a daily basis for at least 30 minutes. Whether that's walking, hiking, going to the gym, playing a sport, swimming, or simply running around in the park with your kids. I went to a Tai Chi class once. Did I just say Tai Chi? Oh my gosh, I meant Tai Chi class. And our instructor told us that death starts in the feet. And so, in other words, if you don't do some sort of movement or exercise on a regular basis, your body will waste away quickly. So if you have any questions or comments or any tips of your own to share, drop a comment below and be sure to like this video so we can spread this message to as many people as possible. Do you have anything to say, Christina?
No.
No? Nothing else to say?
No.
Okay, why don't we say goodbye until the next video.
Bye. See you next time.